As a designer, I know how the industry's changed. It's not like it used to be. It used to be that we had exclusive access to merchandise that our client didn't. Now the client has access because of the internet to anything and everything. At Natalie Scott Designs, I help you not only save time, but money. If you're looking for a specific piece of furniture, you need a specific size, a specific species of wood or material, we have access to artisans all over the world that can find that, and we can create it. I'll save you time by even providing you with sketches, CAD drawings, detailed drawings, if you require it. If not, send me your drawings, I'll have your piece made. The artisans I work with are generational artisans and master craftsmen, so you can be rest assured that the quality is superb. My goal is to help you make more money. The bottom line is you want to deliver a product that's unique to your client at a price they can afford, but there's still something left for you. I know that a lot of your clients are more cost conscious than they used to be. They want a good deal too. I can make whatever it is you're showing your client at a much better price. I establish a personal relationship with these artisans all over the world. There's no middleman. Think about the pride your clients will have when they show off their one-of-a-kind, unique piece of furniture art that you delivered to them. For more information, please contact me personally or go to my website, Natalie Scott Designs.